In fact, let's take this conversation forward with Mr. Pradeep Singhal, the National President of All India Transporters Welfare Association. Good afternoon, Mr. Singhal. This is Nayantara from the New Delhi studio. It's now official that crucial clarification has come in from the government. So existing trucks can also carry more weight. They will be at par with the new trucks, the axle load norms that was announced last month. After a gap of 35 years, we had seen the change in loading norms. Now, of course, the onus is on the states. Can you give us a sense of whether states are going to play ball, at least the BJP states, and notify these new loading norms?
I don't think so. Most of the states are in tune with this new notification, and they want to increase the axle load because in some states there is overloading, rampant overloading is going on, and they are just trying to legalize what is practically happening on the road. So I think we will get a good support from all the states in increasing this axle load.
Okay, because, for instance, Karnataka had indicated that, it perhaps will not notify these new loading norms. But you do believe that most states will come on board. Mr. Singhal, can you give us a little sense of what this is going to mean for fleets, for the logistics companies? It's all fine to say on paper that existing trucks can carry more weight, but there's a safety issue. Won't tires have to be changed? Won't chassis have to be changed? Won't there be an upgradation of sorts?
Not really. What was happening earlier was that the government has come to a conclusion that already there was overloading going on, and all the vehicles or the road infrastructure is capable of taking up to 50% more load than the prescribed load. So what they have done is that they have legalized, and then they have allowed that you can carry up to 20 to 25% depending on the different vehicles. So, in actual terms, you don't need to change any chassis, or you don't need to change anything in the vehicle or the road infrastructure. But yes, I do expect that the manufacturers will have an issue on that. They will try to say that it is not safe, or some norms need to be changed, or you need to relook at this. But from practical point of view, nothing needs to be changed.
Think will happen to the demand of truck in the near term? You think in the near term it will have a big impact on the demand?
Yes, it will have, because already with the existing assets, if you are going to increase the capacity to 20 to 25%, so the demand for the new trucks will take a hit, and definitely the manufacturers will be at a loss for some time. Yes.
Till when do you think it will stabilize? Even, the companies that are selling trucks will need to change, if any, to, get this particular thing going. So even they will take time to fill in their inventory again?
Yes, I think the thing should stabilize into within 6 months. The existing 20 to 25%. What is happening is that already the market is moving from the low capacity trucks to high capacity trucks. So, most of the vehicles, you have to replace them from the national, the national routes in 10 years. So that demand will keep on coming. So what will happen is that for, I think, 3 to 6 months, you will see that the demand goes down for the new trucks, but after 6 months, the demand will start picking up.
Right, Pradeep, thank you so much for taking out time for us and giving us your perspective on these new norms. On that